Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dangerous fireworks are always illegal in California except when used by someone with a special display license. These licenses are typically issued only to pyrotechnic operators who put on 4th of July and other holiday displays.
Let's help you make your mark.
One state, Massachusetts, bans the sale and use of all consumer fireworks, including novelties and sparklers. 2 states, Illinois and Vermont, permit the sale and use of only wire or wood stick sparklers and other novelties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.